Hello, in this video I would like to discuss about the location of Sri Lanka. So we know about Sri Lanka, this is an island country in Indian Ocean. So we'll see some facts about it. The capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardene Kotte. So this is the capital city of Sri Lanka, which is a suburb of Colombo. So Colombo is called the commercial capital of Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka got its independence in the year 1948. So the first to colonize Sri Lanka, the colonial rule was there in Sri Lanka earlier like India. So the first to do this were Portuguese and then Dutch and then British. Finally 1948 Sri Lanka has got its independence. So Buddhism was spread to Sri Lanka from India as early as 247 BC. So from India, Arahat Mahinda was sent to Sri Lanka to propagate Buddhism there, and he was the son of Emperor Ashoka of India. And you can call Sri Lanka as a global logistics hub because this is in a very strategically important location in Indian Ocean that connects Europe with Far East. So Europe and Far East trade happens mostly through this place because this connects the air route and all the sea route. So this is very important. And the first woman prime minister of Sri Lanka was Sirimavo Bandaranaike. So she was the first woman prime minister, and also Sri Lanka is the first country to have a woman prime minister. So she was the first one in the year 1960. So Sinhalese are the major group, major community that forms around 75%, 74% of Sri Lanka's population. So there are other people or other communities also. We know that Sri Lanka has got Indian Tamilians, Sri Lankan Tamilians, Moors and other minority groups, but Sinhalese make up the most. And from here on I've given a listing of some locations that we need to see in relation with Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka is located on the southeastern side of India, peninsular India. So if we can relate this to India, so southeastern side of India we have Sri Lanka here. So this is an island country in Indian Ocean. So we have Indian Ocean over here, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. So Sri Lanka, this is Sri Lanka, this is India. And Sri Lanka has got its maritime border with India along with Maldives. So I've given Maldives the word here, so you can relate this listing over here. So Maldives are a group of islands that are present in Indian Ocean, and Sri Lanka shares maritime borders with India and also Maldives. So this is Maldives. So this is the basic location of Sri Lanka. And in between India and Sri Lanka, I have given three things here: a strait, a bridge and a gulf. So we'll see about the strait first. So strait is something that connects two large water bodies. So here we have Bay of Bengal and here we have Indian Ocean. And the strait or a narrow water passage that connects these two, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. So we have this as Park Strait. The name of this strait is Park Strait. So Park Strait is between India and Sri Lanka. That is a narrow passage of water that connects Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. So this is through a bridge called Adams Bridge. So we have a broken bridge here, which is basically shoals of limestone. So a group of limestone shoals are present in between India and Sri Lanka. So earlier this used to be a continuous passage, but after 15th century where there was a big cyclone, they were broken into pieces. So now these shoals are present from the northwestern side of Sri Lanka to southeastern side of India. So in between we have these shoals of limestone called Adams Bridge. So this is called Adams Bridge. So in between Adams Bridge we have this water passage of Park Strait. And we'll speak about the Gulf of Mannar right now. And Gulf of Mannar is, we have seen what a Gulf is in our previous video. Gulf is where a big ocean or a water body extends into a deep inlet where it has to be confined within land boundaries. So here we have Sri Lanka as one land boundary and India as another land boundary. So this Indian Ocean is extending into this. So this is called a Gulf. So the name of this Gulf is Gulf of Mannar. So this is Gulf of Mannar. So where water is extending into between two land boundaries. So here we have come across Park Strait, Adams Bridge and Gulf of Mannar. And Sri Lanka has got its maritime border with India, not just with India but also there is an island country here called Maldives. And it is located in Indian Ocean, which is very important strategically for the movement or connection of Europe. We have Europe on this side and we have Far East on this side. So to connect Europe and Far East, this acts as an important seaport. This has got important seaway, sea route and also air route, and it also receives some air routes from Africa, which is over here down. So this is how Sri Lanka is important in its location, and this is the basic briefing of Sri Lanka, and thank you.